2 hours. Let's see what we get. Let's see what we get. Now we wait. Aha! A whitefish. And after that, we're hoping for bass. Oh, we hoped for it and we got it. So tasty. Nothing more. Oh, and friends, night is upon us. Whoops. Resorty has made terrible mistakes. Oh, this is how I died last time too. Oh, I was so excited to show you ice fishing, I forgot to look at the time. Okay, so I know the Canadian house is out there. Oh, beloveds. Mistakes have been made for the desire to show the viewers a good time. NJ, if we stay put, we'll freeze out here. And I don't have much wood. Can I cut anything apart? Alright, where's my lantern? Spend the night in the hut. I'd like to, but I don't want to freeze. I can't cut any of this apart for wood. Oh no, friends. Oh, it's a storm too. I mean, we can wait with the stove, but it only has 12 minutes left, and it is clearly nighttime. Alright, friends. Desperate times. About lake house left of hut. Is there one left of hut, investigator? Alright, we're trusting investigator. We're gonna get totally full of food and water. And we're gonna say, investigator says it's to the left, we're going to left. Right, we're gonna quickly make a cup of coffee to enjoy a last bit of humanity before we go out and die. That's what's happening here, friends. We're about to go out and die. Alright, got a cup of coffee. Here we go. We're proper gentlemen. We're gonna refill our lantern. Bottoms up, boys. Alright. Water is good. We'll refill our lantern. Full of fuel. This is why the game is amazing, by the way. Like, I was not thinking ahead. I was not thinking how much daylight do I have left. I was like, yay, fishing. Oh boy, fish. I just repaired it. Why the hell did I repair it? Oh no, we're out of lantern fuel, friends. I have none with me. I just repaired it. I meant to refuel it. Well, friends, we have a flare. That's a match. This is a flare. Alright, here we go. To the left, I was told. We're going left. Yeah, you'll be fine. I hope so. Drop the can to save weight. Never! Hey, Bulls! Welcome, brother. How you doing? Okay. Are we to the edge yet? Okay, we found the edge of the lake. Okay. This is a rock, I think. We're stuck. It's a rock. Okay. Gotta make some guesswork. We got this. We got this. Okay, we're going along the side of the lake. This is a rock too. I was hoping it'd light up more than it did. Not so good. There's plenty of woods there if wolves don't eat you first. Yeah, but I need to find the wood and then get back to our hut. That's not going to happen, friends. Okay. Going along the edge. Oh, stuck there. If I could just find... a dock. Where there's a dock, there are... houses. Are you the Canadian house? I don't think so. The left door is a hut. Yeah, I went to the left, but... no, that's not so good. Back to the lake edge, which is... uh-oh, friends. Are you the lake? Alright, Bulls is on a break between meetings. I really appreciate that you coming by, Bulls. It means a lot to me. I hope your meetings are going well. We're currently freezing to death out in Canada. It had a dock. Oh no, I didn't go left enough then. Ah, shoot, friends. So sorry. I may have screwed this one up. Alright. No lantern. Just go back and go the other way? Really? We should abandon our... going this way? Arcade Build is hesitant to visit Canada. Yeah, this game is not so good for the Canadian Tourist Board. I mean, it might be a real adventure. That could be good. But... Alright, so our Canadian shack is somewhere along here. I just don't know where. Okay, we're getting sleepy, friends. Getting sleepy. Uh-oh. Doing the side here. I'm not going to turn around now. I've gone far enough in this direction. We got to keep going. We are still overweight. Let's start dropping things. We can find them in the morning. Okay, we're underweight now. That's good. Mystery Lake. I mean, sure, sounds good. But wait, Mystery Lake... I think it comes back Canada House. I think it's Canada House here. Wait, that's a rock. Ha! Okay, back to it. All right, keep following the edge. It's a bit big of a lake. That's true. I think Canada House is like right here, dudes. I just don't want to go inland. Ah. Wait, maybe? Oh, well, friends. Wait. Oh, Canada, my home and native land. I'm freezing, somebody go inside. Oh, wait, we should leave our flare outside.